Back to another video. I am feeling money in the air for 2019. So I'm starting off with the Becca Ever-matte poreless primer, and I'm putting it all over my face. I am taking the chocolate gold palette by Too Faced and using the color Cocoa Truffle to distribute it as a transition shade for my eyes. I want to take a dark brown shade from the Tartelette and Bloom palette, and I am just putting it on the outer V of my eyes as well. You guys will see me use the brush to blend out the harsh lines. I also am taking these real pretty dark green glitter color called Money Bags, and I use the Pixi Milk Hydrating Mist, and just to intensify the look of the eyes. Then I also use the color Chocolate Gold, which is a really pretty yellow gold, in the inner corner of my eyes. And then you will see me distributing that all over my lid. I wanted to take a really pretty dark black shade to smoke out my eye look, so I'm putting that on the outer V. On the bottom of my list, I am using Holla for $1, which is like a really pretty brownish green color. And then I'm using the color Rich Girl for the inner tear ducts. And then you will see me using LA Colors eyeliner in black. And then I'm just taking my Bobbi Brown longwear weightless foundation in the color Almond, and using my Real Techniques expert face brush to blend and buff that out. And of course, you guys will see me use my favorite Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep for my highlighted areas that I would like to show for highlights. And I'm just taking again the face brush to buff and blend that out into my skin. And of course, I'm using the Mercier translucent setting powder, loose setting powder. Oh my gosh, you guys, this works wonders, I'm telling you. It's like perfect.
You can tell me anything you want, I'll forget about it. Tell me what you want, anything I'll do better.
I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the color 360 Mocha. And just to add color back into my skin, I'm just distributing that all over. I'm using the lashes from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to try them out. They're the LA color Dramalash. And you guys will see here, they are very full and long, which I really like. Very dramatic. I'm taking the MAC lip pencil in the color Nightmoth. And you guys will see I used the Stila liquid eyeshadow in the color Bronze Belle and distributed that. And then I am using the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Matte Longwear Lipstick in the color Wicked. It's a really pretty color green. And I am in love with this look. It's just, you guys, it's amazing. It didn't last. It wasn't sticky after a couple hours. It was like really amazing. And it's actually transfer proof. So if you guys haven't tried this out, you guys have to try this out. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and please subscribe and click the bell next to my name so that you always get notified. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.